Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the best outdoor solar-powered string lights available on the market. The addlon 54-foot solar string lights. If you're looking to brighten up your patio, garden, or backyard with an energy-efficient, weather-resistant lighting solution, this product might just be your perfect match. The addlon solar string lights come with a generous length of 54 feet, featuring 15 sockets with 16 warm white LED bulbs, including one spare. These bulbs are designed with shatterproof PET plastic, making them incredibly durable and ideal for any outdoor setting. Whether you're hosting a garden party, camping, or simply want to create a cozy ambiance outside, these lights deliver consistent and beautiful illumination. One of the standout features of these string lights is the upgraded remote control. This handy remote allows you to customize your lighting experience effortlessly. You can adjust brightness across 3 levels, soft, bright, and super bright, and choose from 3 lighting modes: breathing, flashing, or constant light. On top of that, the remote offers 4 timing options, allowing you to set the lights to stay on for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. This means you can tailor the lighting to fit your needs without any extra timers or dimmers. Charging these lights is super versatile. They use solar energy, soaking up about 8 hours of sunlight to power your lights for over 20 hours. On days when sunlight is limited or if you need a quick recharge, there's a USB port for fast charging that fills up the battery in just 4 hours. This dual charging capability ensures your outdoor space stays lit no matter the weather or season. Speaking of weather, these lights are built tough to handle all conditions. They're waterproof, weather-resistant, and crafted to withstand rain, snow, fog, and temperature changes throughout the year. Plus, they're lightweight and designed to resist damage from drops or impacts, making them practical for both permanent installations and portable setups. Going solar means you're not tied down by power outlets or cables. These string lights let you unleash your creativity and decorate anywhere outdoors while saving on energy costs. They produce a warm white glow with a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin, creating a charming, inviting atmosphere without harsh or glaring light. The addlon string lights come in a sleek black color that complements any outdoor decor style, from modern to traditional. They operate at just 5 volts and use energy-efficient LED bulbs that consume only 1 watt, contributing to a greener, more sustainable home environment. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get started. The solar string lights kit complete with bulbs and a remote control. The product weighs under 2 pounds and comes in compact dimensions, making it easy to transport or store. In summary, the addlon 54-foot solar string lights combine durability, convenience, and eco-friendly technology in one attractive package. Their multiple light settings, remote control ease, and dual charging options make them stand out from other outdoor solar lights. Whether it's for a backyard party, camping trip, or simply enhancing your garden's vibe, these lights provide reliable and beautiful illumination powered by the sun. That wraps up our look at the addlon solar string lights, the best choice for outdoor solar-powered lighting. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you honest insights into the coolest products around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this.